It's your girl Dominique. Welcome to my channel, Dom Budgets. Today I am doing a cash stuffing video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I really appreciate all the support and y'all's opinions as well. So without further ado, we're just going to get started. I'm going to start off with my personal wallet. And I had a little bit of rollover money. So I'm just going to set this aside for now. Surprised I had some gas left. But hey, I'm not complaining at all. I'm just glad to even have money in here. I'm just going to set this aside. Y'all see my nails? I got my nails done earlier. I've been so ready for fall. Y'all see the little the leaf designs. My nails remind me of coffee. Like this video if you like my fall nails. Anyway, so personal is going to get 80, so that's 4 20s. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And personal is like any personal needs, like body wash. If I want to get myself some makeup, or if I go by the store and get me like a drink, a soda or something out the store. So that's that. Groceries is going to get 80 as well. So that's 2 5s, 110, and 3 20s. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. It's $80. I'm trying to cover my card number. I did not want that to show. Gas is getting 3 20s and 2 5s. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. Yeah, 70. Tides is getting 2 5s and 1 10. No, 2 20s and 1 10. Sorry. So that's 50, 20, 40, 50. Oh, and groceries, that also includes like toiletries as well and cleaning products. Going out is getting nothing. Nails, nothing this time. Hair is going to get 40, so that's 2 20s. I'm actually getting my hair Texlax. I think that's how you say it. Texturizer, or that's whatever you want to call it. I'm a natural hair girl, and I feel like it's just time for something new, y'all. Don't get me wrong, I love my curls. My hair is like bra strap length. It's the longest it's ever been, but I just feel like it's time for something a little new. I've been natural since I want to say spring of 2018. So I've been natural for a pretty long time now. And I just feel like it's time for something new to stretch out my curls a little bit. But anyway, we are going to my Seeking Funds binder. Oh, and this candle is Harvest Gathering from Bath & Body Works, of course. It smells so good. Oh, and y'all, have y'all smelled this? Like, oh my gosh, this smells so freaking good. It also reminds me of like a latte. I don't drink lattes, but it definitely reminds me of like a warm coffee fall scent. It smells so good. Anyway, okay, emergency funds. Y'all, I'm so glad that I'm able to stuff this again. Now I feel like my videos will be more entertaining. So emergency funds is getting 50. So that'll be 100. So it's going to get 2 20s and a 10. 20, 40, 50. So that should be 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So I am so glad to be starting this again. Now I just have to pay down my credit card balances, unfortunately. But I'm just glad to have my taxes out the way, y'all. So car maintenance is getting 50, so that's 2 20s and 110. That's 20, 40, 50. Plus 50, so that's 170. I actually need to get my car washed. I have not washed my car since probably July, and it's pretty dirty, y'all. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70. Travel is getting nothing. I need to switch this paper out. Medical, I think I need to switch this out too. Yes, I do. I'm gonna go ahead and write right here though. I'm gonna switch it out after this video. So medical is getting 80. So that's 80. I have to get fillings. Not fillings, fill-ins next month. So I'm paying out of pocket for that. So it's getting 4 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80. It feels so good to be stuffing this wallet, y'all, for this binder. Home decor is getting nothing. Spots, I'm gonna switch that out too. Gifts. Y'all have birthdays coming up back to back to back. My brother and sister's birthday is on the 26th and the 27th of next week. One of my best friend's birthdays just passed. Hers was this past Sunday. And then mine is October 21st. So, and then my other best friend's birthday is November 9th. So it's back to back to back with the birthdays. No, that's getting 100. Ugh. And this is going to be gone. I already know it. So that's 5 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Comment down below if y'all birthdays are like either September or October. I'm not big on astrology, but I know that my sign is a Libra, so yeah. So that is it for this video. I don't know why. Well, this is not it. Hold on. Pump the brakes. I don't know why I have this 20 left. I'll figure that out after this video. And these ones I'm just going to put in like my snowball debt. And I will be doing a counting cash tip video this week. I didn't do one last week because I had a busy weekend. So that's this. We're going to wait on that. My weekly challenges. I'm going to start this again soon, but I kind of want to focus more on paying down my credit cards debt. So I have 128 in here now. Like I said, I think this needs to go towards my bills or something. I'll figure that out. I'm just going to add this. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Plus 30. I don't know what that is. 128 plus 30. 158. And comment down below like what y'all do with y'all's rollover money. I would love to know, to give me ideas as well. I know everybody's different, you know. Okay, I'm just going to separate this real quick. If I can. Okay. So that is it for this video. Thank y'all guys for watching. And that is it. I will see y'all in my next one. Y'all have a blessed day, blessed night, blessed afternoon, whatever time y'all watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on my video, y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. Bye.